What is up, YouTube? So I can't be too loud because there's someone doing office work in the office. We're currently in the office, Kais Omar's office to be exact.
Jerry boy in the building, you already know what
Hey, you know what I'm saying? No, they don't call it Jerry boy anymore. They call it a Harrison boy. He's a Jerry boy. Everyone knows that. He's been a Jerry boy
ever since he
one.
got his R8, he stopped responding to my texts. Like, hey, nice car. He hit me with the who's this.
Anyways, because Kais is here and Chris is here, and you know neither of them are ever gonna come visit me in Washington, that means one thing.
I will come.
Yeah, sure you will. You've been saying that for a year. I'm in LA with it. Started the vlog back in Washington. I just want to do a quick little intro to this video so I could beg you guys for likes because I'm pathetic and I'm a loser. So please make sure you smash that like button. It would really help me out. Make sure you show some love in the comments. If you guys like the vlogs, you guys want to see more vlog content, then let me know in the comments below. And also like this video. Anyways, let's get to the vlog with it. All right, guys, we're starting off the vlog series. My Mercedes saleswoman came to just, you know, make sure I knew how to properly use the vehicle. And I just really appreciate the customer service given by Mercedes. Much.
Cold outside.
So tired, but I'm going to LA. House. We are in the building. We are currently at Golf. I'm with Isaac, but Isaac is his actual last name. And then I don't know who this guy is. Who are you?
Golf Wang.
This is Golf Wang?
I'm the Golf Wang.
Yo, I love this golf hoodie, dude. That's sick.
Is that how you say golf?
This is a little overexposed. Let me just, skirt. So anyways, I'll show you guys the line in a second. I gotta go pay for parking, so we're gonna go do that right now. What the f are you doing? I feel kind of awkward. Like, are they all gonna like beat us up? Just like standing ominously over us. Yo, are you get those f***ing shoes?
Line that way?
Sick. Isaac, how you doing?
Look at my hair. What are you doing to my hair?
I think your hair looks good, honestly. How you doing?
This dude right here in the pink dad hat, his whole group of fucking people. I like him, but he fucked it up. For
Kelly, I didn't see Jacob last night
saw you and they all know who you are, so they're vouching for you because they want you to get.
They want you to be like, oh, he helped me clean, baby. You got it.
Oh man, this line sucks. Just kidding. It's not really that bad actually. Aren't you supposed to be going Anson?
I am, but they said
Oh, this is for the golf drop. Don't y'all have like a murder to investigate? What the f? There's like 40 cops. This is crazy. Isn't there like robberies going on?
we killed the shoe game.
This is for the golf drop? We got like 18 cop cars. That's crazy. The whole road. He's got his baton ready. Oh shit. Yo, you think if there's like a serious riot, it'll make the value of the shoes go up?
Golf store closed. Police pulled up.
Wait, what? That's perfect. There you go. Are you a YouTuber?
I might be a YouTuber.
You might as well be.
I'm taking your views, bro.
This is so unnecessary.
Fuck this event.
Yeah, dude. It's like Jacob Starr f***ed this event over. Dude,
Wait.
dude. Yeah, my name's SLX. Transition. And out of his dick. Okay, here we go. Back at it. Went into his head and out of his. Are we leaving?
I gotta go pay for my meter. So you gotta welcome me there. You gotta take a picture of these, though?
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Damn, look at these yellow bags mean W's, boy. Hey.
Wait, whose is this?
It's mine.
Oh.
It's okay. I only have herpes. We out here.
I wouldn't be surprised.
All bags, you know what I'm saying? How was the line?
Yeah.
The line,
Low-key, I was
let me just say this. The line was so bad. I literally almost had a panic attack. Thank you so much for helping me. Like,
At one point, I was legit like this. Like, I was up against the line.
I cannot.
That shit was crazy.
Tell about me in the story. He was like, do you want a water? Like, how? I was like,
No, I'll be good. I'll be good.
Hey, nice meeting you, man.
Yo, nice to meet you too. Much love.
All I'm saying to everybody out there who is part of our group or even somewhat associated with our group, nobody would have got shoes if it wasn't for Duba. So
That's big facts.
Show some love to Duba in the comments down below.
Like, I don't want you guys.
Everyone show love to Duba. Duba, you know, basically was like security for the lines.
I know they should hire me.
Well, she's the reason why all our people got shoes.
That's facts.
Hold on. But what I was gonna say is like, I don't want you.
In Santa Monica with it. Town business. What's good? Hello, guys.
come on.
Hello. Hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Time to explore Santa Monica. Have a good little time, you know. And we have arrived at Rose Bowl. It is a new day, a new day, a new dollar. As you guys can see, Isaac's got the brand new golf Fleur purse on.
It's actually 2 years old.
Oh yeah, brand new, just came out yesterday. We're gonna get to the flea market. I'm a little bit later. I wanna come here at 4, but I wanna come here at 4 so I can get all the deals.
Next time, next month.
If I should do a dedicated trip to the thrift, smash that like button. I like this brand. Hi, Reagan. Ooh, the Travis Scott.
Is it the puff?
Yes, the puff print.
Can you be my Mississippi queen?
Sus!
Are you trying to?
If this hoodie looks off, it's because it is terribly fake. Look at this. Oh my god. Why does this fucking sticker look like the CDG box logo? Remember the one I'm talking about with the wrinkled box? This purple corduroy is looking so fucking sexy. Oh my god. So I just tried buying this guy's Bone Thug shirt off of his back. Yeah, it was like...
Had to be the quickest denial I've ever seen.
I know. He shut me down so fast. I was like, yo, what year is that from? He's like, oh, I think it's 94.
He already said no as soon as you asked him.
And then I was like, yo, do you sell it? No. I was like, god damn it, I want it so bad. I kind of just want to go and give him a ridiculous offer. The Supreme. Oh, size medium. That's gonna be too small. RIP, more fake Supreme. There's a lot of fake Supreme out here, but I did just cop this fire ass Bone Thugs and Harmony tee. Not the one I wanted. This is actually not really like a vintage one. It's just a reprint with some cool distressings. Isaac just found this fire Seattle Supersonics piece. Of course, you guys know, being from the Pacific Northwest, 1993. Oh, that's so fucking sick. However, I'm gonna have to pass because it's big as fuck. Yo, this is gas, man.
A lot of gas like that everywhere around here, you know what I'm saying?
You know?
Come check us out, it's that desert heat out here, you know what I'm saying?
Hey.
From the high desert, I hear all kind of stuff like that. Streetwear, vintage. Come check us out. You know, we're here at the Rose Bowl Sunday. And I know that I am on my mind, but I don't need time.
I just say how proud I am that you have a microphone on the top of your camera.
God, bro, that's crazy. I did notice that.
Yeah, and what's crazy is that I didn't use it for at all like during the beginning of this video. So so the audio is gonna like kind of switch up and be a little bit better now. But anyways, guys. So okay, anyways, this is the what? You don't like the car?
Bro, you went from having a Challenger last time to the...
This was more expensive than the Challenger.
Yeah, because it's more like luxurious, like comfortable wise.
Yeah, come on. Fuck that Challenger. Yeah, it's Louis Vuitton, the camera strap.
Yeah.
You know, we out here, big facts, big A.
I feel like it's dead bodies in there or something.
Boom, so first thing we gotta show them, these right here. Open those for me, give you guys a
no way
thoughts.
you actually bought something from Diamonds.
What? I love diamonds, my favorite brand. Anyways, guys, come on, move on.
These are... Oh, look
the
at the
bottom
bottom.
What do you think of these overall?
I think they were worth the hype.
They're worth the hype?
Yeah.
What do you think these are going for right now?
Retail.
You think they're going for retail?
Well, I saw Stop Cart.
He's closer.
I said
350, he lied.
Oh, he put it there.
He probably put him there. Yeah, he probably put him there. Damn, he just kites Omar to you.
Damn, he really did, yeah.
Because the first time I ever saw someone do that was you.
This is probably
He's
this is the best Converse that Tyler has done. I like it. It's dope, but
fire.
I wouldn't wear it, but it's fine.
All his fans, I see, because his fans have a unique way of dressing and they could pull some fits off of
You know what
those.
this
The
reminds me
Flower
of? This reminds me of there's an old wrestler. I want to say his name's Bam Bam Bigelow, but he had an outfit like this. I could be wrong. I'll send you the text, but one of the wrestlers had an outfit like this.
I like that.
Dude, I did a full fit pick with these because he's used this graphic before. It's a pretty popular graphic. It's the flame graphic that he used on like a puffer, some pants, socks, freaking everything. I had an outfit with this, and I swear to God, so many people were like, do you even listen to Tyler? Blah, blah, blah.
You know, I used to listen to Tyler hardcore. I met Tyler in the Supreme store. Like I actually filmed with Tyler, and they didn't tell me to stop recording, which is weird.
Hurry up, you have 2 seconds.
1, 2.
Get away from me.
Wow, look, extra cushion too than the regular Converse.
Oh wow, I didn't even notice that. Okay, so boom, I got that, and then I also got a t-shirt. If you guys search around through the golf bag, there you'll see like a little golf tee somewhere. It's gonna be
Check under
there.
check under this.
Yeah, it might be under there.
Right there.
There it is.
Oh,
Grab
that's
that.
fire. That's better than the shoes.
The golf logo with the flames inside.
Yeah, I like their shit. I've never been inside their store.
Yeah, I mean,
There's
I might have
pretty
to go.
dope,
I might
honestly.
have to go shred their half pipe.
No. Now check out what I got from Diamond.
Dude, I really want to see it. There's no way you bought something from Diamond.
whoa, what the
Oh my
hell?
God, the Diamond times body armor water.
What
Look
the
at this,
fuck?
though.
Where'd you get this?
Oh, my boy Vandy. Vandy the Pink, always killing the game.
This is nice.
I know, he kills it. Okay, I'm gonna go to this office and finish editing. So yeah.
You gotta upload.
I do have to
Oh,
upload.
you better edit this. All this we just did right now.
I'm gonna edit this right now.
Wow, so
put
you're
in the
just
video.
seeing it today.
They're just seeing it today. Like they're
Wow.
seeing this right now.
That's crazy. Go follow my Instagram at Chris Montante. Thank you.
And then
Boom.
after you do that, go follow at Kaisomar. You're
And
gonna
then-
spell that wrong for sure.
And then before you do that, make sure you guys go follow the Star Life and then just ignore those first two things. All right, peace the fuck out. Okay guys, so anyways, just got done editing this video with Chris Matanda. You can see he's wearing the same clothes just like we said. It's going up right now. Can you hold this while I show Kais this t-shirt? All right, Kais, close your eyes.
This was really closing his eyes. I'm dead.
What? I thought you wanted to.
Yeah, I do want you to.
What? I'll be like, I'm dead. Oh, that's hard.
Brand new, what do you think? Go.
Should I look?
Yeah, you look.
The shirt is sick, but what's up with that hole?
Dude, this is how it's made.
To show off your chains?
I don't really know, to be honest. I think it's just distressed, but I bought it from Rose Bowl, so you know what I'm saying? You don't like it?
I mean, I mess with the shirt, you know what I'm saying? Bone Thugs and Harmony, you know what I'm saying?
But you don't like the hole?
I don't like the hole, you know what I'm saying?
Dude, it shows off the tats,
I feel like
dog.
that's made. I feel like that for sure. A girl had that shirt previously, and she did that to show her tits.
No, dude, it's not gonna show her titties. Maybe a little bit.
But the shirt is sick. I mean,
Dude, it's fucking distressing, dude. I'm a fucking punk rocker.
where's the other holes at then? If it's distressed.
I'm gonna make those later, alright? Chris, you're filming right now. Don't edit your stuff.
Oh, sorry.
My man just doesn't care about anyone but himself. Smash the like button. There's someone doing work, so we gotta keep it quiet. But anyways, peace the fuck out.